the half crab by Roman Reigns. Has it locked in. Will Jordan tap out?
Jordan's in the center of the ring. There's no escape from this.
He might want to tap. This is a lesson right here, guys.
Roman Reigns, great strategy, targeting the bad knee.
If you want to roll with the big boys, this is the kind of pain you got to deal with on a weekly basis, Jason Jordan.
Jordan's trying to will himself to the bottom rope, but the big dog readjusts.
We had questioned whether the knee was 100% coming into this matchup after being injured the past couple of weeks. Jordan appeared to be okay, but then he hurt it going over the top rope. And now Roman Reigns has the crab locked in. Jordan trying to drag himself to a rope to force a break.
See the agony on the face of Jason Jordan. Oh, wow.
Great counter by Jordan. Rolling Reigns up. May catch him here. Shoulders down. Reigns almost got caught.
Wow.
Superman punch.
Good night.